So let's now explore the next option, that is working with boards. Now I already said boards, you can provide a filter level which can be epic, feature, stories. This is one. Of course, right now there will not be anything in analytics because we don't have anything completed or so on. But ideally, you should want to look at, let's say, features. Now under features, you can see stories. Click here, it will show you the stories. So under this particular feature, I don't have any task or user story. So only under this I have created. And we can do it from here. Add a user story. So as you're planning what is convenient to you, you can decide based on that. You can be very quick. So under feature, user story, and you can change here now to, let's say, stories. And when you change to stories, under story you can add a feature, a task. Click here, you can add a task, or from here you can add a task. And so on. So backlogs, always we would prefer having at the story level. Feature is not where I want to see my backlog as. Yeah, you can though, but I'll prefer seeing it at the story level. So now what I'll do is, no, I don't want to delete and show now, but yes, you can actually move these things here. Once a task or once an action has started on a particular task, you may want to move the whole thing here. So right now it is in active state, and you see the moment I moved it, automatically my ID got assigned to it. Alternatively, you can actually open it and explicitly assign to someone, and also change the state. It has moved. So as the progress of the item is happening, you may want to keep moving items from here to here. Now, for every item, you may want to give some tag. For example, this user story is more important when compared to other user story, and it has some very critical features. So I would probably edit this and give a, oh, click here, edit this and give here a tag. Say something like critical, and multiple tags can be given. The purpose of tag is one extra property, and based on that extra property, you may probably want to do something. You may want to create a report based on tag. You may want to control the look and feel of this particular tag. You can do all that thing. So right now this critical, I want to show it as red color. So for that, go to settings, and in settings we have got tag color. Change the tag color, and what is the tag we have? We have already got one tag created, critical, and that I want to show it as red color. Save it. So for every tag you can define a color. You can have, of course, priority is there. I'm just showing you, in addition to priority, you can have more tags. And based on the tag or based on any other parameter for that matter, certain items here, work items here, can be made more visible. For example, I would go to style, add a style rule, give some rule name, select what color you want, take preferably background color which is light, and choose a field. And you have so many. So items whose start date is less than today. Now I go to a particular item now. User story will not have a start date. Task will have a start date. So this whole thing is Kanban board in which we are able to provide a tag. Tag has to be given by editing the item. You can add multiple tags, and based on the tag you can do some kind of styling. I have shown two things here. One is go to settings. Remember there are two different things. Tag color. For a given tag you can define a color. I'll add, let's say, low priority, and I may want to give some color. So for any item which has low priority, and what is the other thing I did? Very, very, very important. Based on certain criteria, you can change the style of the card. Oh, I typed contains. Now what is this 2 by 5? Right now there are two cards of maximum 5 which are supposed to be at this level. That's why you see they are in green color. Now sometimes I can go here and I can say in my project at any point of time I don't want in active state more than 3 items. Up to 3 items I am fine. More than 3 items I don't want. Click on save. Bring the third item. We are already at the maximum. Bring the fourth item. It has changed to red color. Indication something is wrong. Please look at it. There cannot be 4 active items at a time. Maximum allowed are 3 as per my policy. So take it back. But when you take it back, you see this is not changing. You have to probably explicitly change it to unassigned. Status will change, but assigned to will not change automatically. You'll have to manually change it. Status has changed. Go to properties, go to settings. Here also you have backlogs. Epic gone. Features, stories. Epics I don't want to see because they are a very high level module names, but you will find them in work items. Yes, from boards you can also navigate to backlogs. Actually it changes the tab here, that's all. It changed the tab. So we are done with this analytics, nothing right now. Average work in progress. We have to go with sprint and all that. View as backlog. Yeah, right now these are all operations of this team. At any point of time you can change your team from here. If at all there is multiple team, you can switch here. That's it. You can apply filter here also. And that